And welcome back. So today I'm going to show you three job opportunities for the business central developers, probably with 0 to 0 years like freshers as well as the intermediate level. So before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel. This is my channel. If you haven't subscribed it, please subscribe now, and you can find the playlist, that is opportunities business, that is a job opportunities playlist here. So if you just click on this playlist, you can find the opportunity. So I'll be posting about Power BI, all the technology related job opportunities here. So this is for job opportunities, and you can learn if you are into business central. And if you want to learn business central, this is for functional consultant, this is for developers, al programming languages. And you can find more about more on business central technical as well. And I'll also be updating mb820 soon. So you can find all the playlist here which will be useful for you. Let us straight away go to the first thing called technical consultant. Okay, so you can see technical consultant by Novasoft. So they are expecting 4 to 9 years of experience, and this is a remote job. It's a highlight here. Okay, it's a remote, and hiring office located in New Delhi. So the thing is, like, they have posted just now, and you have three openings. Okay, and you can see the job description here: experience in implementing and deploying business central, conducting coding and programming tasks following latest Microsoft development, proficiency in programming languages like al, seaside al, knowledge in integrating Microsoft Dynamics 365. And these are the skills required. You can find the skills as well here. Role is a technical consultant and IT services and consulting. Full time, it's a permanent. Okay, so you can see the education details, and this is about the company. So I always recommend the viewers and subscribers to go and check about the company reviews as well in the Glassdoor, where you can find more information about the company. Even in Naukri itself, they'll be highlighting the what to say, like highlighting the reviews. So here you can see these are all the relevant thing. Okay, this is posted 28 days ago. So these are all the ratings for that particular company. Okay, so you can just go ahead and check about the company. See, I'm not asking you, I'm not telling that this company is good or this company is bad. Okay, so I am here just to show you this. These are all the open opportunities I am finding it. So if before you apply to this particular position, first thing you have to see is what background check. So go and check with the company, check the company information and everything. If you're fine, then check your resume, whether the resume is having the relevant skills which are mentioned here. I'm not asking you to add if you don't have these skills. Okay, I'm not asking you to add the irrelevant skills. If you have skills but if you haven't included that in your resume, please go and add it now, because all the job portal will be matching your resume with using the ATS and everything. So you should be very careful while you write your resume and while you create your resume. Okay, this is very very important. So let us go to the next opportunity. So these job opportunities will be first available only for the members. Okay, you can see the members will be having the access to the open job opportunities, and after 3 or 4 days the other people will be it will be visible for subscribers and the viewers. Okay, 3 or 4 days, sometimes it may take even 1 week. So it's completely depends. So if you wanted to join, if you want to get the latest update about the jobs, please go ahead and join as a member here. Okay, and the next thing is application developer by Accenture. Okay, this is by Accenture. It is 1 day ago they have posted, and the location is Gurugram. So you can see here the application developer, they are asking for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, and you can see the complete information here about the qualification. And you can also find that it's a full time and it's a permanent. Okay, so you can find the complete information. Of course, we all know Accenture, and Accenture is having 4 plus 4.0 rating. In I'm talking about this rating is specifically in Naukri, but it may change. Okay, so this may vary. So please go and check that. If you are satisfying this requirement, please apply here first. And finally, to talk about is what the people advisor associate. This is for 0 to 2 years, and this is also from Accenture, okay, and Hyderabad. And here actually they have mentioned about the key skill as Business Central. Okay, so here you can see this is Business Central, Microsoft Dynamics Now, counseling, so all these things. But you won't be writing the code, or you won't be doing a functional consultant. It's for the process trainer. Okay, like you will be teaching and training Business Central. And this is a full time, and it's a permanent, and it's a corporate training. The rating is what role category is what the corporate training. So you can also apply for this job if you are planning to enter as a enter as a trainer. So don't forget to log in and apply for the job here. So I'll be meeting you soon with the next exciting job opportunities. This is my ebook store. If you are preparing for business central interview, so you can find the relevant ebooks here. Okay, and if you want any personal guidance with me, so you can schedule a call with me. It's a personal guidance, one is to one call with me. So the link is in the description, please make use of it. And I have my own blog, so I'll be updating about these jobs as here in my blog as well. So please follow my blog to know the information about the jobs and the latest technologies, free courses, internships, everything. You can find it here. Okay, I'll meet you soon with the next exciting opportunities. Take care, be safe, and bye bye.